Good afternoon and welcome to the TerryTracker channel. Today we're in Thailand, we're in Pattaya, and we're heading into Columbia Pictures Aquaverse. So this is the biggest water park around here, and it's all themed on Columbia Pictures.
We have 48 flavors. This place is open all night, right there?
Hotel Transylvania splash area. Wow, that's a big one. That's what she said. So here is the wave pool. How fantastic does that look? And of course, showing movies, so you can float and watch a movie at the same time. So the waves are having a 10-minute break, but in the meantime we may as well sit and float and watch a movie. I tell you what, mind, the dragonflies love this pool. There's millions of them. So we've got burgers, we've got Asian food, and apparently the world's best burgers over here, hot dogs and pizzas. Quick note, they don't accept cash here. You have to get one of these bands, which you get, well, actually a ticket to get in, and you top it up with how much money you want on it. Use that until it's run out. Whatever's left on it at the end of the day, you can go back and get a refund for. And they've just started a foam party. Wow. What I will say, the food here is like theme park price, and I'm not talking about Thai theme park price, I'm talking about Western theme park prices. We've also getting nachos.
Oh, I'm Jonathan, and I was just mountain climbing with some dudes. I'm sexy and I know it.
Are back on. Oh, and the food, I can confirm, it is not the world's best burger. Yeah, they've just released the foam. These are the weirdest bubbles ever watch. You try and pick them up and they go. So we've come into the lazy river, which has actually got an overlay of Zombieland, with it being October and all that. Ellie got wet. Woo! You can't see when you go through that. Wow! These are some of the most powerful waterfalls on a lazy river I have ever felt. Wow! I actually think that this is the water from the slides, and this is where it exits. That's the water from them slides. And there's the Jumanji slides. Wave machine round the corner. And here's the waves, Ellie. Da, 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 da. The backside of Jumanji. So this is the original Cloudy with a Chance of Meatballs with the Zombieland overlay. So far I haven't really seen anything zombified, apart from this about to eat me. Yeah, so there's nothing really zombified. There is a clown over there, I suppose. This one's got some Zombieland overlay on it. I think the storms are brewing. with that storm coming that's behind us, the air temperature's dropped quite a bit. Now this water, which felt cool before, now feels like a cup of tea. So yeah, I think it's going to rain. Here's the rain, and I've just seen lightning, and there was a huge thunderclap, so I'm getting out of this water. Welcome to Thailand. That's not time lapse, by the way. That is how fast the clouds are moving. So the rain's kind of stopped and there's like a big swirl there. Does that mean we're in the center of the storm? Or does it mean it's going to be a tornado? I don't know. So anywho, just before that came and spoiled play, I actually saved the young girl's life. She started drowning in the deep end up there during the waves, and the guards didn't notice her, so I had to pull her out. So yeah, hero day. And this side of the storm still has to come. So we've had that bit, this swirly bit's the middle, and we still got that. I wonder if it's going to lightning again. Because if it is, I'm getting out of here. So there you go, folks. That is Columbia Pictures Aquaverse here in Pattaya, Thailand. Wasn't allowed to take the camera on any of the slides, so I couldn't film those. But you got a good look around. It's quite expensive to come here in terms of Thailand. But yeah, it's good. That pool's awesome. So anywho, so see you all in the next one. Now it's time to do your job.